All right, dear children, welcome back to the class. And today we are going to discuss about the chapter Introduction to Trigonometry, all MCQs. Already we have completed these chapters, no? Already we have completed MCQs on, coordinate geometry, arithmetic progression we have completed, and we have completed this other chapters also, okay? Already circles and all it is over. Statistics is also over. Yes. So many surface areas and volumes is pending. Now today's target is, dear children, the target for today is application, not applications of trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry. That is our target today. Are you ready to solve all these questions from Kalpavruksha classes, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is the method we follow in Kalpavruksha classes? Can anyone say?
Step by step.
Yeah, we follow step-by-step process here to understand all the concepts. Question number 1 to simplest questions to most difficult questions. We follow that method and we are carrying forward this discussion now. All right, dear children. So I welcome you, all of you, to this class once again. Today's session will be on SSLC, that is SSLC MCQ series is going on, and introduction to trigonometry. So this is the target for today. All right, dear children, are you excited to solve all these questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. So keep the same excitement so that I will get a clear idea about all these MCQs. All right. So here is the first question. So do it, all of you. First question, try to do it and find the answer for this. First question. Yes. The value of cos 0 into cos 1 into cos 2 into cos 3 up to cos 89 into cos 90. What is this value? Tell me. What is the right answer for this? Now it's impossible for us to do all this, no? Cos 1, cos 2, cos 3 and all. So cos 90, what is the value of cos 90, dear children? 0, right? Yeah. So all these things, so whatever it is, so we'll get some answer, but into 0 means it becomes 0 only, no? So answer is 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very simple it is. So answer is 0. So that's one thing. Now second thing, second question. Okay, I hope everybody got the first question. Is it clear to everyone? First question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, all right, dear children. Now look at this second question. X tan 45 into sine 30 is equal to cos 30 into tan 30, then x is equal to, just substitute the value, just keep it as x here. Tan 45 means 1, no? So into 1, and sine 30 is 1 by 2, and that is equal to cos 30 means sine 60, sine that is root 3 by 2, cos 30 means sine 60 root 3 by 2, and tan 30 is 1 by root 3, no? Yes or no? So you should be remembering these things. Otherwise, it's not possible. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Do you now know or not? Tan 30 is 1 by root 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here root 3 get cancelled. Here 2 get cancelled. X is equal to what comes? X is equal to 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Here is the right answer.
Yes, sir.
Was it easy? Was these questions easy? Starting 2 questions?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. All right, dear children. Keep on solving, okay? Keep a rough page and keep on solving. Let's move to third question. Okay. Do this question. X and Y are complementary angles, then X and Y are complementary means you understand, no? For example, complementary means X plus Y is equal to 90 degree, right? Complementary. Yeah. So is it possible like sin X equal to sin Y? No, right? I mean, X and Y are different, no? Yes or no? It is not possible, no? Yes or no?
Sir.
Right? Now tan X equal to tan Y, no, it is also not possible. For example, if you take 30 degree and 60 degree, 30 plus 60 is 90, no? So they are complementary. Is sin 30 is equal to sin 60? No, right? It becomes wrong. Is tan 30 equal to tan 60? No, right? It also becomes wrong. Now cos X equal to cos Y, is it right? No. Cos 60 and cos 30 are different. Now look at this, secant X equal to cosecant Y. So this can be written as, look at this LHS. So secant X means X can be written as 90 minus Y, no? X is there. keep x here. If you send this y that side, it becomes x equal to 90 minus y, right? X is equal to 90 minus y is there. So that's why secant of 90 minus y. Secant of 90 minus y is always cosecant y, right? Correct, no, dear children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So that's why this is the correct option, no? Option D is correct, no? Yes? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all right. So that is the correct option there. Now coming to this question now, they're asking sin B is equal to 2 sin B is true when B is equal to. Now 90 degree, remove this. Why? Because 2 into B, sin 2B means 2 into B means 90. 2 into 90 is 180. We don't know the value of sin 180. As of in sin 180 is there, but in 10th standard we don't know this. So that's why you have to remove this option. And this 60 also you remove this. Why 60 also you remove this? Because 2 into 60 is 120. That also you don't know. And you can consider for 30 and 0 degree. Just try to do with 30 and 0 degree. Do that first one. Sin 2B. Sin 2B means sin 2 into B is 30 degree is equal to 2 sin B. 2 sin into B is 30 degree. If you do this, sin 2 into 30 is sin 60 it is. Okay. Sin 60 and that is equal to into sin 30 is 1 by 2. So here it is 1 and here sin 60 means root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 equal to 1 it is saying, but it is not correct, no? So that's why this option is also wrong, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yeah. Now look at this is the only option remaining and it is correct and you can try to do it also. So first one you do it LHS. Sin 2 into B is 0 means 2 into 0 is sin 0. Sin 0 means what is that? 0 only. And do the RHS, that is 2 sin B means again 0. 2 into sin 0 is 0. 2 into 0 is like 0, right? So this is the correct option, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Yeah. I hope it is also clear, dear children. All right? Okay, fine. I'm going to next question. Next. And do this, dear children. Question. If A, B, and C are the interior angles of triangle ABC, by looking at this only, you can tell this answer directly. Minus, so you remove them because in our syllabus, these things are not there. Minus 10, what are they coming? Okay. Now, cos of B plus C by 2 means cos of, what do you mean by B plus C by 2? Look at this. A plus B plus C is equal to, is it like 180 degree? Because they are the interior angles of a triangle, correct? And B plus C is equal to, it is 180 degree, right? 180 degree minus A. And they are asking for this B plus C by 2. So B plus C by 2 means what it comes? B plus C by 2 means 180 degree minus A divided by 2. That is equal to 90 degree minus A by 2. Correct? 90 degree minus A by 2. So cos of. So instead of this B plus C by 2, what can I write? I can write 90 minus A by 2, no? So cos of 90 minus A by 2 means it is equal to sin A by 2, right? So what is the answer for this? Sin A by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so sin, everybody understood this? Sin of A by 2?
Yes.
Yeah, all fifth question is clear. Now we can go for sixth question now. Solve the sixth question, all of you. If A and 2A minus 45 are acute angles. They're acute angles, yes. We study about acute angles only in 10th standard. We don't go for more than 90. That is there in 11th class. Okay, these are acute angles such that sin A is equal to cos of 2A minus 45. Then tan A is equal to, they're asking. Okay, all right. Now look at this. Dear children, what they're asking, sin A is equal to cos of, sin A is equal to cos of 2A minus 45, it is there, no? 2A minus 45. Now what do? You convert this into cos, no? Here also cos is there. You cannot compare this A and 2A minus 45. So you convert this into cos. So can I write it as cos of 90 minus A? Cos of 90 minus A means sin A, no?
Yes, sir.
And that is equal to cos of 2A minus 45, no? Do it on your own, 2A minus 45. So now cos is there, here also cos is there. Now I can say 90 minus A is equal to 2A minus 45. Now I can say that. Now I'm going to send this minus A that side. So what it becomes? It becomes 2A plus A. 2A plus A is equal to 90 plus 90 plus how much it becomes? 90 plus 45, no? 90 plus 45. Now it is 3A is equal to 135, correct? And A is equal to 135 divided by 3. That is like 3 ones are 3 fours are 1 is a carry 5s are. So A is like 45 degree. Now they are asking for tan A, tan 45. Tan A means tan 45. So tan 45, what is the value of tan 45? 1, right? So this is the answer, no? This is the correct answer, right? Everybody got it here, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Everybody got these things? Yeah. Very simple it is. We're building the concepts one by one. Let me move to next question now. Seventh question. Do this question. Seventh question. Similar question. Deepthi, tell me, should I be using black color or red color?
Black colors.
Black color. Okay. All right. Do this seventh question. If y sine 45 degree cos 45 degree equal to, this is tan square, okay? Tan square 45 it is. Please rectify this, tan square 45 it is. Not a tan 2 into 45. And it is also cos square 45. Cos square 30 it is, sorry. Cos square 30. Then y is there asking. Very simple, no? Just write y here. Sin 45 means 1 by root 2. Cos 45 is also 1 by root 2 is equal to tan square 45 means tan 45 is like 1. 1 square is 1 only. Minus cos 30. Cos 30 means root 3 by 2, no? Cos 30 means sin 60. Root 3 by 2 whole square it is. Yeah. Then it becomes y into 1 by root 2 into 1 by root 2 is 1 by 2. Root 2 into root 2 is root 4. Root 4 is 2. And that is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4. Root 3 whole square is 3. 2 square is 4. 1 minus 3 by 4. Next y into 1 by 2. And that is equal to, here is LCM is like 4. And here it is 1 4 and 4 ones are 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3 is like 1. Correct? And I'm going to send that 1 by 2 that side. It becomes 2. 2 by 4 as usual. Otherwise, you can cancel here also, no issue. Correct? No? 2 1. Here is, y equal to. Okay. All right. So I'm going to just. Deepthi, tell me, did you get this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Everybody got this? Very important to get it. All right. So how many have joined? I think 8 have joined. Venkatesh, Pawan Patil, Srujan, Ajit Patil, Prajwal Malkere, Vikas, Deepthi, Raghavan. Okay. All right. Don't chat here because I'm not able to see this here. Now let's do this. Another question now. I think eighth question. Please do it. Try to do it. The other day I have solved it. Many have sent this doubt. I have solved it for them. Now from the given data only we should be able to do something. Now look at this, dear children. From this data, no, sine theta is equal to sine theta plus sine square theta equal to 1. Can I write sine theta is equal to 1 minus sine square theta? Can I write it like this? Definitely I can write sine theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Then sine theta equal to what it comes? Sine theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta. So let it as cos square theta only. First thing is like, let me write it cos square theta only. This cos to the power 4 theta can be written as cos square theta whole to the power square, no, whole to the power 2, right? Yes, or 2 into 2 is like, it is going to be 4. Now, cos square theta is there plus cos square theta means what? Sin theta it is there, no? So I am going to write it as sin theta, and whole square means it is sin square theta only. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is like, no? So what is the answer? Correct answer is 1, no?
Yes, sir.
Everybody got that? If anybody has any doubt, please let me know. Srujan, did you understand this question?
Yes, sir.
Everybody got it? This question very simple it is, okay? Try to have a look at it. So sin theta plus sin square theta equal to, because 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta. So I want to find cos square theta cos to the power 4 theta. For 4 theta means cos theta. Then cos square theta means sin theta. Then sin theta whole square is sin square theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So 1 is the correct answer. I hope everybody got it. Yes?
Yes, sir.
All right, fine. So let me move to next question now. 9th question. Try to do this 9th question. Be careful, okay? Don't be in a hurry to solve the question and make it wrong. In the starting two things, can I take 5 common? If I take 5 common, what is there inside? Tan square A minus secant square A plus 1. Now 5 bracket, what is tan square A minus secant square A? Is it like 1 or minus 1? Tell me. 1 minus tan square A is equal to secant square A, right? So send this secant square A this side means, so it becomes a tan square A minus secant square A is equal to minus 1, no? Tan square A minus secant square A is equal to minus 1, right? So it is minus 1. 5 into minus 1 is minus 1 plus 1. It is equal to minus, right? Minus 4 is the, yes? Tell me, dear children. Correct now? Everybody got it? Yes, tell me now, everybody got it or not? I need confirmation. Yes, Ajit? Any
The
doubt to
last
anyone,
step.
please? Last step,
Last
look
step.
at this. This step? This one?
Yes, sir.
Again one time tell, sir.
See, look, 5 common from these things. 5 bracket 5 tan A minus 5 secant square A plus 1 is there, no? I have taken 5 common. So it becomes in bracket minus 1. Now look at this. 1 plus tan square is equal to secant square A is there. Now if I want to send this secant square A this side, that becomes tan square A minus secant square A. This 1 square A is equal to minus 1 or not? Correct or not? Yes, confirm please. So this 5 into minus 1 is 5. That 1 minus 4, no?
Yes.
Tell me, confirm please.
Sir, minus
If
1
you
and plus 1, sir.
minus 5. 5 into minus 1 is minus 5. Then plus 1. Plus 1 was there in the problem. No? Minus 5 plus 1 is like minus 4, right?
Yes, sir.
Everybody got it or not got it? Huh? Everybody got this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think, yes, Ajit, did you get this? At least now? Or still doubt is there? Ajit? Ajit, did you understand or still doubt is there?
Sir. Yes, sir.
But, yeah, you understood. I'm happy that you understood this. Okay, all right. Don't comment here. If you are commenting, I will not be able to see them. Okay, let's go to this question. This is a little bit intricate, dear children. Look at this. What they are saying? Secant A plus tan A is equal to X. They are asking secant A equal to. As per this, secant A is equal to what it becomes? It becomes X minus tan A, no? Secant A is equal to X minus tan A it becomes, but those options are not there. So options are something different. The way to do it is like, do one thing. So you do one thing. The main thing to do here is whatever this X is there, no? This X value is there, right, dear children? So this X value, whatever it is having this X value, X is like secant A plus tan A, right? Equal to secant A plus tan A. So you try to put them in the equation, in these equations, whatever are there, then try to bring them equal to secant A, whichever comes, that is the correct answer. Everybody got the logic?
Yes, sir.
What I told? This X is there, no? X means what? X is like secant A plus tan A, no? So it becomes secant A plus a tan A whole square, right? Secant A plus a tan A whole square it becomes. All right, then minus 1 divided by, what is there? Again, X means secant A plus tan A, right? Correct, no? Is it correct, whatever I have written? No? A plus whole square, A plus B whole square means it becomes A square plus B square plus. I will do it on a normal paper, then let's see whether you are able to get it or not. So let me do it in a new page. There at least you are able to just, find about this or not. Because you need to understand this problem in a particular way, then only you'll get it. This document will also be shared with you. So what is that? Secant A plus tan A. Secant A plus tan A. Is my screen visible? Screen ಆಗ್ಲೂ visible ಇತ್ತು. Screen ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ? Screen ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ? Yes ಅನ್ನಿ. Otherwise, I am going to close the session if nobody is talking now. ಯಾರಾದ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I am going to close. ಈಗ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಾನು. ದೀಪ್ತಿ, ಆರ್ ಯು ಏಬಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೀ? ದೀಪ್ತಿ, ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು?
Yes, sir.
ದೀಪ್ತಿ,
Yes, sir.
ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Yes, sir.
ವಿಕಾಸ್,
Yes, sir.
ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
Sir. Sir, not visible, sir, screen.